Hi, I'm Robin, one of the directors here at Start Software, and I'm here to show you the latest update to Alpha Tracker. This is actually release 32.5. This comes hot on the heels of our release 32, which is only a month or so old. And it's specifically an update for labs and how you record fibre analysis results within the lab. Let me just show you how this works. Now, first thing to say is the new screen, the new method, is an option. Just move myself out of the way. It's an optional screen. You can use the old screen if you prefer. And in fact, you can switch between the screen designs and screen functionality whenever it suits you. So take a look at this video and see if you think it'll work in your lab and work for you. A couple of things we've tried to improve in this version. The first one is customize how much you can customize the system. So flexibility, I suppose, is the key. Specifically, the order that you record your the morphology of the sample. So the way that this list is presented, the order that this list is presented, is now completely customizable to suit your lab and not anybody else's. The actual contents of this list also can be changed. So that's in terms of the items that appear in the list and the options that you have within each item. So you have complete flexibility now in the order that we present the items, what the items are, and the choices within each item. Second thing we wanted to improve was to make this more keyboard friendly, so that when you're entering your data, you can simply use your keyboard to make selections and not have to use your mouse. And that works so well. So for example, if I switch into keyboard mode and I want to start recording choices here, all I'm going to do is use the number keys, and the number that I press corresponds to the selection number, which will also colour the appropriate box in. You'll see what I mean now. So let's suppose the sample prep was with acetone. You can see that's number 1, so I press 1. Initial appearance is organic, that's number 3. RI liquid 1.55, that's 1. Birefringence other, number 4. And number 2, and number 2, and number 3. You get the idea. So I'm literally pressing the keys on my keyboard, and I've just set that, recorded all of the details for that sample. This little, the box indicator here is a visual indicator of the results for that particular sample. And we have a feeling that those of you working in the lab all day, every day, and you know who you are, that the actual visual, the shape of each sample will be a visual clue for you that you've recorded a chrysotile sample correctly or a non-asbestos sample correctly. So we like the boxes. That's a little invention of ours. Hope you do too. They also, I say, give you the idea of which option you've selected. So if I just go back there, and again, if I just do dry, which is 3, triple MF 2, 1.55, you get the idea. But you can really whiz through it now on the keyboard, much quicker than using the mouse. You can even enter and exit keyboard mode with the keyboard. So if I just point at that, you can see it's Control Shift K will get you into keyboard mode. Other advantages of the system are that it should be faster. We've had mixed reports from clients actually on this. Most think it is, 1 or 2 think it isn't. So let us know what you think. And also it works better on smaller screens. But the keyboard mode and the flexibility are the 2 key features. This release 32.5 is available now. If you want to do it, you can upgrade yourself as usual, or just get in touch with the support desk and we'll do it for you. Like I say, it's an optional screen. If you like it, if you try it, you like it, great. If you try it, you don't like it, you can always switch back. Thanks very much and stay safe.